Hello guys, you're on vrm24.com YouTube channel, name is Vadim, and today I will tell you why Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s is not charging. Okay, we received Redmi Note 10s for repair, which doesn't charge for a reason incomprehensible to the owner. However, there are obvious damages on the back cover. It's quite similar in that someone could step on or sit down on the smartphone, so we suspect anything. After removing the back cover, we could not find obvious damage to the smartphone. Therefore, our task is to disassemble it so that it's possible to inspect the connectors on the printed circuit boards and the connectors of the interboard cable and check the power contacts for an open circuit. First of all, after disassembly, we check the connector of the subboard. Check the contacts that are responsible for the power supply. They are located at the edges. No damage was found. Go to the connector of the motherboard. On the motherboard, the connector also has no damage. And it remains for us to check the connectors of the interboard cable. As soon as we start examining the first connector, lower one, at the interboard cable, we find a break in the power contact on the left side. Our version is most likely someone sat on the smartphone, the case began to bend and pulled the interboard cable so that it tore off the power contact. And so we found a possible reason why the smartphone is not charging. We move on to soldering. We take a soldering iron and carefully solder the contact. We assemble to test the charging, insert the subboard, connect the connectors, and at the end we connect the battery connector. After we plug in the charger, if the repair is performed well, we will see a charge indicator on the screen. Okay guys, now we're done. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, read our articles on our website. Take care of yourself, and until next video.